Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Suppose that the function is continuous on negative number 1 to positive number 1. We have the function in here. They want to calculate about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to negative t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about ds equals to negative dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, so we put negative number 1 in here, so we can find the value of t. So t equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so we put the value of number 1 in here to find the value of t. And t equals to negative number 1. So negative number 1 we change by positive number 1. And number 1 we change by negative number 1. About s we change by negative t. ds we change by negative dt. So because we have the negative sign in here, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. And then we know that we can change t go back to s. So that means this one is equals to this one. And now we have another equation. So we put this one plus this one is equals to the integration from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So we have f of s plus f of negative s ds. And this one is equals to this one. Now, the integration of s squared, you got about s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 2, you got about 2s. And we put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And now we can put the value gone here. Negative number 1 gone here. We calculate about this one, and you got about negative number 10 over 3. So we know that this one is equals to negative number 10 over 3. But the question, they want to find this integration. So we know that this integration is equals to this integration. So we need to change this one into this one. So we sum two integrals in here, and you got about number 2. And later that we divide both sides by number 2. And you got about negative number 5 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.